Hello everyone, today I'm going to solve some questions by using a keil program. Mhm. Uh, the question is here. They give us some commands or some commands, and we need to write it and explain how it's working. Also, there is a note. We have to write the initial value of the memory. Okay, they give us here, for example, 00 hex, F1 hex. We will give it the address 00 hex, the value F1 hex. Okay, I will write it. Actually, I have it. I write the program here. I just will copy and paste it here. The program or the commands is here. But firstly, we started the program by writing org 00 hex and is jump, and of course we finished it by using end. Mhm. I will write the initial value as he asked us. Firstly, move. Oh, sorry, move. 00 hex. The value 0 F1 hex, and same way move 0 hex. The value 02 hex. Also no. Okay. Also move 20 hex. 30 hex. Okay, and the other one move 31 hex. The value of 10 hex. So in this way I write the initial value as we see here. After that I'm going to um, press here bold, so the program is working now. They will tell us if there is any wrong. Okay, no wrongs here. After that we will start up running. Okay, no problem. So um, so the program is working now. As we see here, the registers R0, R1, R2, R7. Okay, accumulator, the register, and data pointer. Okay, and the memory here. I will start step by step. First step, as we see, the program is started. In this step, as I talk, we give we load the value F1 hex to 00 hex, as we see. At looking here, the first one FP1, and in the next step, we'll give 2 hex to the address of 6 or pardon, almost to 8 hex. I mean it's here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and same way 30, and the other one is 10 at here. Okay, 30, 31. It's here. Next step here. In this step, they ask us to, or in this step, we just select the bank. But what the bank? Here, this word it means program status word. it give us or it tell us which bank we will use. As we know, there is four bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, and bank 3, and this sentence will will tell us which bank we will use. But if we look here, E it means 1 1 1 0, and 7 it means 0 1 1 1. By looking at this two value 0 0, it means we will use the bank 0. It will be use the bank 0 as it's looking here 0. It's bank 0, and I will complete. Next step, they will move the value of register 0 to register 0 at the bank 0, as I talk to the accumulator. It's looking here, the value of register 0 is F1. It will be moved to accumulator. Next step, so I think there is a question here, I don't remember. There is a question here. Okay, the question number 12. Which of the following operation takes place after explain line 4? Line 4 here. As I talk, we will choose the bank 0. So the answer it will be D, bank 0 selection. Okay. And there is another question, I think. Yes, the question number 7. After the 5 line, what is it? It should be 5. It's a 5. Okay, what's the value of what's the value of A? The value of A, it will be like the register 0, as I told, it will be F1. So the answer is A. F1, it will be F1. And we will complete. After that, clear. C it's a curry flag. Curry flag. Clear, it's delete, or it will delete curry flag. In the following command, added A, so we will add the value of 40 hex to accumulator, and as I talk, accumulator was 31, and we will add 40 hex. The answer, no, I'm sorry, the value of accumulator, it was F1. By added 40, it will be 31. It will be 31, as we see here. The answer is 31. So also this is the question number. Where's the question? No, question number 16. Question number 16. So what's the value of A? The value of A, it will be 31, as I talk. 31. So we will complete in the next step. In the next step, they will give the curve flag or oh no, there is something also in this step. The result of adding F1 plus 40, the answer is 31, and also there is one, it will be the curry flag here. The curry flag, it will be 1. So this one, it will be saved here. When we do this command, we'll move 1 or curry flag to 00 hex. But which 00 hex? As we know, curry flag, it's a bit address, not byte address, so it will be saved here. It will be saved here. So the value, it will be 31. 1. Okay, we will come later. Next step, we will move the value of A or accumulator to 00 hex. The value of accumulator is 31, so that will be moved here. It will be moved here. So the new value here is 31. The new value here is 31. Also, this is the question number 1, I think. 1. Okay, the value of ray 0. What will the value of ray 0? The ray 0, it will be 31. The answer is C. And in the next step, we will move we will move the value which is pointed by ray 0 to the accumulator. So the value which is the value which is pointed to ray 0, where is it? The value which is to ray 0 here to accumulator. As I talk, the value which is referred to ray 0, it's 31. So 31 is here. The value is 10. It will be adding to the accumulator. So the answer, as we say, it will be 10. We will move. I'm sorry. We will move the value which is which is pointed to ray 0 to the accumulator. So the value is 31. We will look at the address of 31. We see it 10 hex. So the new value of A is 10 hex. 10 hex. There is any question? I don't know. Yes, there is a third question here. Oh. What's the value of A? The new value of A, it will be 10 hex. 10 hex. Okay, after that, we will do this operation. This operation, as I talked before, program status word, it will tell us which bank we will choose. And as I told, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 8, it means 1, 0, 0, 0. So RC1 RC1 0 and RC1 0 1. So we will choose the bank 1. So our operation is here now. For our we will use this. We are here now. We are here now. So next step, as we see, next step, we will move the value of ray 0 to B. So the value of ray 0 to B. Value of ray 0 here, the value of ray 0, 02 hex to B. So B, it will be 02 hex. As we see, B register is 02 hex. Next step, there is any question? Yes, there is some questions here. No, there is no question here. After that, we will multiply A and B. So by multiplying A and B, it will be A is equal to A, it should be equal multiplying A, it will be 20. Okay, there is any question? I don't remember actually. Yes, there is a question number 2. Question number 2. What's the value of A? A, it will be 20 as we see. And there is another question. No, there is no. No, there is no. There is no. equation. Um, in this step, we will move the value of a to array 0. Value of a is 20, so it will be moved to register 0. So the new value of register 0 is 20. And also this is the question number 9. What is the value of array 0? The value of array 0 is the value, the value of array 0 it will be 20. The value of array 0 it will be 20. Next step, we will move the value which is pointed by array 0 to a. The value which is pointed by array 0, I took array 0, now it's 20 hex, so the value which is pointed to array 0 here, it is 30, but there is a from a current one, so 31, so the new value of a it will be 31, I think. Yes, 31, sure. So the new value of a is 31. Also, it's a question number 14. Question number 13. 13. So after the explanation, what is the value of a? No, it's not 13, it's 14. I'm sorry. 14. Okay. What's the new value of a? The new value of a, as we see, 31 hex. Next step, we will do x. So the value of a, by doing this operation, x or 34 with a, the value of a it will be 5. And this is the question number 15. The value of a it will be 5 hexadecimal. Next step, also this tells us which bank we will use. 0 0, so we will use the bank 0. As we see here, the bank 0 is used now. Next step, we will there is any question. Yes, there is a question number 8. Question number 8 here. Which bank we will use? We will use the bank 0. We will use the bank 0. Okay. The next step, we will move the value of a to array 1 at the bank 0. So the value of array 1 it will be a, it will be 0 5 hex, as we see. Also, this is the question number 11. Where is it? Here. Which the value of array 1? The value of array 1 it will be 5 hexadecimal. In this step, we will move the value of 2 hex to b. So the new value of b register it will be 2 hex. Also 2 hex. Here we will divide a by b, and the answer a it will be 2 and b it will be 1, and we will see it. So the new value of a is 2 and new value of b it will be 1. Also, this is the questions 5 and 6. 5 and 6. The question 5, what's the new value of b? B it will be 1 and a it will be 2. Next step, we will move the b to array 0 in the rank 0. So the new value of ray 0, it will be like it will be the value of b, so it will be 1. After that, we will move the value which is pointed by ray 0 to a. We should look at the value which is referred by or pointed by ray 0. Ray 0, it's 01 hex, so it will be referred to ray 1. Ray 1, I mean it's 0.5 hexadecimal. So the new value of 8 will be 5 hexadecimal as we talked. After that we will do rotate left of a. Firstly, the value of a 5 hexadecimal, it means 0000, and 5 it will be 0101. Okay, when we do the rotate operation, it will be like this: 000, 0 also, 101, 0. So the new value of a, it will be 8 and 2, 10. The new value, it will be 10. Oh, no, I'm sorry, 10, I mean a, because from 1 to 9, after that a, b, c, d, a, f. So the new value of a, it will be 0, a. And this is the question number 20. This is the question number 20. Question number 20 was the value of a. The value of a, it will be 0a hexadecimal. After that, after doing a rotate operation, the next command is exchange. Exchange, we will just move the value of ray 1 to a and the value of a to ray 1. So I mean the value of ray 1, it will be a, the value of a, and the value of a, it will be ray 1. So the new value of ray 1, it will be 0a hex, and the new value of a, it will be 0.5 hex, as we see. And this is the question number this is the question number oh, yes, it's here. 13. What's the new value of a? The new value of a, it is 0.5 hex or 5 hex. And also the next or the end, before the end, also this is exchange, but in this operation we just need to move the low value. I think, and yes, the low order. So I will write it here. A is 00001 010, no, 0101. Okay, and this is A. A is equal to, and ray 1 is equal, but not ray 1 here. The value which is pointed by ray 0. The value which is pointed at ray 0. Ray 0 is pointed to ray 1. So ray 1, it is no 01, pardon. I'm sorry, to ray 1 also, yes, of course. So we talk about ray 1. Ray 1, it's 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. So we will just move the low order. I mean the new value of a, it will be 0.5. I'm sorry, the new value of ray 1, it will be 0.5, and the value of a, it will be 0a, as we see. Also, this is the questions 10 and 17. 10 and 17. 17. Then what is with the value of ray 1? The value of ray 1 0.5, and the value 10, I think yes it's 10. The value of A, it will be 0 A hex. After that we will end, and as we see, the program is finished. At the second question, they ask us to, or they need us to clear only the addresses 20 hex, 21 hex until 2f hex by using a loop with the dgnz command. So the dgnz command, or decrement and jump if it's at 0, we will see it, and after that write the number 3 decimal, 6 decimal, 9 decimal until 48 decimal to the addresses of 20 decimal and 21 decimal. Okay, first we will start our program as we talk. Org 00 hex is jump star and star. Okay, so we will start it from here. If we want to clear the addresses by in the normal, we have to clear this one by one, so we have to write a lot. But by using pg and z, we don't to write a lot. It's easy to use. But firstly, we will move the highest value to any register. It doesn't matter. For example, register 0. The highest value the highest value is 2f. No, this one is 2f hex. So we move the highest value. I'm sorry, the highest value to array 0. Also, we have to write the count, or to know the how many times we will count. So the count, it will be count 16 time, because between the address of, where is the question, the address between 20 until 2f. So move, also we will move it to any register. We will write 16 decimal, or we can write 0 a hex. It doesn't matter because it's same decimal. And we will start our loop. So we are now in the loop. What we will do, we will clear the address which is pointed by array 0. I mean move the address which is pointed by array 0. Firstly 00 hex, and the address which is pointed by array 0, it's 2f hex. Oh, I'm sorry, it's array 0. So the address which is pointed, so now the 2f hex is 0 after writing that, and we will decrement decrease array 0. We have to decrease it until decrease it, it will be decreased 16 times. We will see it. After that, dgnz, if array 1 is 0, it will be end the program. Array 1 is 0, it will be end the program. If not, it will be go to loop again until array 1 0, loop end. So I will solve it. no wrong started. Mhm. When we started, so the highest value 2f, it's moved to register 0, and it will be count 10 hex or 16 decimal. So the highest one is here. Now decrease rate, and this after that we enter to the loop. The first one, the address which is pointed by array 0, it will be 0. So as we see here, it will be decrease by 1, here decrease, so from 2f to 2e. After that, it's also move 00 hex to the 2e here. After that, it will be decreased to 2d. After that, decrease to 2c. After that, it will be decrease until 20. It will be continue until 20. So we will complete or continue the question. After that, write the numbers of 3 decimal, 6 decimal, 9 decimal, and 48 decimal to the address of 20 hex, 21 hex, and until 2f hex by using another loop. Okay, so we will write the information firstly as we talk. Move. We will move the highest address to any register, also raise 0 as we write. The highest one is 2f hex, and move here the counter how many times, also to array 1 r1. Okay, it's on up. After that, here there is another operation. We have to write the numbers, or to load the numbers to accumulator. After that, we will load from accumulator to register again. So the highest number to accumulator, the highest number is 48, 48. Also decimal, because it's decimal, and the second loop is started here. Second loop started here. So firstly we have here we have to write just a number. For example, the highest number, or 48, we will write it in the address of 2f hex. So we will move a, the value of accumulator, to the address which is pointed by array 0. So a, we will move a to the address which is pointed by array 0. Which is pointed by array 0. And we will decrease array, step by step decrease array 0, and also using dg name, dg nz as we talk, but I think there is another. Okay, we will try array 1. If is not 0, loop 2, and then the end there's end here. Yes, let's see. But also we have to subtract Oh, yes, because we have not by decrease one by one, we have to decrease three. For example, from 9 to 6, from 6 to 3, from I mean not one by one, so we have to subtract the value of a by 0.3 decimal, and this is the end, I think. Okay, we will stop the program. We forget it. Was this not a program? I hope yes, it's not a program. Build linking. Okay, no problem. I think yes. Start. We started again from the first loop until after it will be moved to another loop here. Now it's coming to our loop, another loop. So first give us the value of so when we move to the another loop, firstly we have to write the value again. As I talk, we will load the highest value, which is or highest value of AS to if hex to register 0, and the counter it will be count 16 decimal, which is 10 hex decimal. We say it here, and we will load the number, which is 48 to accumulator, 48 decimal, which is 30 hex to accumulator, and enter the loop. We enter now the loop, and we load the value of accumulator to the address which is pointed by res0. So res0 it's 2f, so 2f is here, and the address of 2f it is here. We will move accumulator 30. This is the point here. We move accumulator to here, or the value of accumulator to here, to the address which is to the address which is pointed by ray 0, and decrease ray 0 by 1 as we see, and also subtract 3 decimal from a from accumulator, so the value of accumulator is 2 decimal. I'm sorry, not yes, yes, it's right. And dj and z ray 0 ray 1 is not 0, so it will be repeat the loop, also repeat the loop. So we will move a, which is 2 decimal, to the address which is pointed by ray 0. Now ray 0 is 2e, which is here. The so it will be 2d after that. As we see, it's 2d now, and complete. It will complete until after that. Yes, it's I think saying yes, it's saying, and enter that in the program. So at the first question, they ask us to define the numbers, these numbers, in the program memory. When we see these questions, we have to use a data pointer. Firstly, when we start the program, 0 hex and is jump start from here. Okay, we have to firstly define the tableau, tableau, dp the number is 00 x 00 decimal, I'm sorry, and 02 decimal, and 65 decimal, and 07 decimal, and also 04 decimal, and in the end 162 decimal. This is the value of W, and we have to define the first the value of data pointer, which is the first value, which is here. So move the data pointer value of W. So this is the first question. Let's see. So this is the first, and the second we have to add the first number to the second number, and first number to the second number. Okay. First, we have to decide which the first number or this is one. How we can select it? We can use this move to any register, for example, register or not register, because we will use it again to accumulator the value of 1 okay. And after that we will add it by using move G to accumulator. Yes, move G to accumulator by using data pointer a plus data pointer. So this is one of my uses of to data pointer. After that, now we have the first number. We can move it to any register because we need to use accumulator again to raise 0, for example, a to raise 0. So now we have the first number. The same way we have to find the second number, also move to accumulator, the second number, which is it, to decimal, first, the second, I'm sorry. After that, also move G to accumulator, the value of a plus, I'm sorry, a plus the pointer, the pointer. Okay, now we have the second number at a and the first number at 3, so we can edit it by using edit a, added raise 0 to a. This is the first, the second one, and now the third one. What is the third one? Subtract the third number from the first. So the third one, subtract the third number from result B. So we have to find firstly the third number as we do above a. Point 3 decimal. The third number, move C a plus a at a pointer. So now we have the third number at a, but we have to move a to register, but not register 0 because we used it before, and we will use it to re1. Now the first the third number at register 1, and the second or the yes, this is the third number. Yeah, okay. Move now, not what we will do. Look at the question again. Oh yes, the result of the question, the result of B, or the result here is move A 8 array 0. So this is the question. And now we will subtract. Now we will subtract the result. I mean, we will subtract the third number, which is it, array 1, from the result, which is A. No, we will subtract the third number from the result, which is array 1 from the result. After that, we will also the result, the new result will be moved to array 0. Move to array 0 because we have to use accumulator again. This is the third one. After that, another question. So the another question, multiply the fourth number with the result obtained from C. So first we will define the fourth number move as we do before. Okay. Now let's see. With the fourth number. So now we have the fourth number, but we will move it to register the value of accumulator. Now the value at the error, and we will move the value of array 0, which is the C program, the C questions result here. It's array 0. We will move it to accumulator again, array 0. So we have now the value of C question as accumulator and the new result at array R1, and we will multiply it, but before we can multiply a accumulator with a register, so we have to move the register 1 to another register. We have to use B register, move to B array 1. So now we can multiply A, B, and after that we will move the result to register 0 or 1. For example, 0. The result. Now the result at array 1, and this is the fourth question. Now we have to do divided the fifth number of result obtained by this. Okay, we have to decide it because move A, it's same. I can copy and paste it again actually. Yes, but this is the fifth number data pointer at A, and we move. Now we have the value at register 1, but register 1. Okay, now we have to move the value of register 1 to B. After that, move Y, because array 1 will be used in the end. Move array 0, the value of array 0 to A, which is the value of array 0, which is the C, A, B, C, yes, C result, is here with the value of multiplying here. Now we have to divide it. Divided A, B. So this is the five five number as we see, and by using a data pointer with move C, we defined the fifth number at A, and after that move it to register 1, but we have to use the register 1, so we move it to B, because the divided operation we have to divide it A or B, not we can't use register 1 and register 0. So the new result is at accumulator, and mm, the, the other result at B. So divide A and B and move the result. Sorry, move the result at ray 0, for example, ray 0, and if there is any divided, it will be move to ray 1 value of B, because the result of divided it will be A and B. This is the A and this is the end. We write end, I think, and this is our program. So when we started the program, at first step, as we see data pointer, our first step, stack pointer, as we know, after reset it will be started from 0, 7 point. Data pointer, as we see, the value is 28. Now we move the number 1 decimal to A, as we say, and after that we move A and the value of data pointer, the address which is pointed by A and data pointer to A. So the new value of A is 2. The new value is 2 because data pointer is the first value of the first value of the tuple. Now we move two value to accumulator. After that, as we do again, then we have to and the other one we have to move. Now we added 3 to accumulator. We say it was 2 and accumulator it was 40. And as I remember, I'm sorry.